Welcome to Your Organized Afterlife Workshop. I'm your host, Jennifer Gumbel, and I am a death lawyer. I'm an estate planning and probate attorney, and I've been doing this for over 10 years in Minnesota. As you'll find out, I am a nerd about this kind of stuff. Now, being a lawyer wasn't always on my radar. I wanted to be a teacher. Teaching was and continues to be my gift. But I didn't have the energy to deal with little kids all day, and I did not have the patience to get teenagers interested in something that they weren't. And that's how I discovered the law. I shadowed an attorney in my hometown of Brandon, South Dakota. And I quickly figured out that the clients coming in were as invested, more invested in the answer than even the lawyer was. And I really dug death law. Estate planning and probate, it's all about teaching and minimizing legal issues. And I was also specifically prepared for it in a way that most people aren't. When I was 14, my dad died of an aggressive cancer. He was diagnosed on Thanksgiving and died on Super Bowl Sunday. People, lawyers included, are weird about death. But helping people work through the legal issues they'll leave when they die, that's my superpower. It's the only way I know how to swipe at death. So, let's talk about what estate planning is. We tend to think of it as a goal in our financial journey. When we've done enough wealth building, when we have enough money set aside in a bank account, now is the time to think about our financial legacy. Well, let me burst that bubble for you right now, because I deal with this stuff day in and day out, and you don't need to be wealthy to leave a mess. Legal issues come up at death or incapacity as soon as you become an adult. Estate planning is for everyone at every stage of life. In this workshop, I'm going to walk you through the steps I've seen people take to leave a manageable to-do list and not a mess. In my years of practice, through walking with people in the planning process and walking with families after their loved one dies, I've seen a common theme in the people who left a manageable to-do list. These are widows and widowers who dealt with the legal issues that came up after their spouse died. They saw firsthand what it takes to not leave a mess. In this workshop, I'm going to teach you what a lot of people had to learn the hard way. Now, I'm a lawyer, but I'm not going to be giving you legal advice. Legal advice is taking the law and applying it to your particular situation. And I won't know your particular situation. And you won't be downloading a will or a trust here. As you'll find out, leaving a manageable to-do list takes more than just downloading some documents off the internet. It takes a plan tailored to your situation and looking at the to-do list that you will leave. And that takes the right documents tailored to your situation to put that plan in place, and financial organization to make sure that actually happens. In this workshop, I'm going to be giving you the information you need to work with professionals in order to get a plan that's right for you in place. I'm also going to be giving you the information I give to my own clients to get them up to speed so that they understand their plan. And I'm going to show you how to do the financial organization that is an often missed step in this process. In fact, in my years of practice, I've seen how financial organization is the difference between a mess and a manageable to-do list. At the end of this course, you'll know exactly what you need to do to get that financial organization in place. When we're done, you won't have to wonder what people are going to need to do when you die. Whether you already have a will or you've never done an estate plan before, this workshop will help you know what you need to do to leave a manageable to-do list. And you'll have the incentive and encouragement to finally get this stuff done. And how good is that going to feel? Instead of having this on the to-do list that you never get done, you'll have checked it off. When we're finished, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to know whether or not you're good. And you will have taken the steps to know that you are.